I'm Ben Anson-Jukes, Vice President of Engineering at DoxyMe. We're a global telemedicine platform used by hundreds of thousands of providers and patients every single day, making virtual healthcare accessible without the need for downloads or apps. When we started building Apollo, our next generation platform, it became clear that our real-time infrastructure was holding us back. For a product like ours, reliability is critical. And if real-time doesn't work, our platform doesn't work. We were seeing many issues related to real-time, like random ghost patient check-in chimes, and even full outages lasting 24 hours. Even in our legacy product, reliability was patchy. Presence notifications were delayed, or messages were being received out of order, or at times not at all. And the patient queue often felt laggy. The cost of both using and supporting our existing provider was becoming unjustifiable, with clear and direct impact to the patient-provider experience. Our engineers were so afraid to touch this part of the stack, it had become this scary black box nobody really understood well. We needed a partner who could not only help us rebuild real-time into something reliable, scalable, and secure, we needed a partner that could be both patient but flexible and help us innovate together. And that's where Ably came in. From the very start, they all felt like true collaborators, all on the same mission to help us get there. We ended up migrating everything to Ably's WebSocket-based real-time, removed unreliable and noisy heartbeat traffic, and implemented a platform that our providers could trust. And honestly, what we thought would take a year, we went from design to 100% migrated in under 6 months, seamlessly. The results were immediate. Support tickets dropped, real-time errors disappeared, and even better, our CTO, who was skeptical at first, now sees real-time as a stable part of our core infrastructure. Everyone's expectations have been blown away. And most importantly, we have happier providers. We also saw a full ROI in under 6 months. That's unheard of. What set Ably apart was the partnership. They helped us not only get there, but raise the bar in internal education about real-time, and they removed the fear of building against the platform, as well as help us make sure that it brought the most secure experience for our providers and patients. They were always available and sincerely wanted to see us win. Even now, we're exploring roadmap innovations together. Ably is helping us push real-time beyond the basics into new opportunities like advanced presence and session orchestration. At DoxyMe, we are connecting the world to the future of healthcare. And we believe that providers are the real heroes and that DoxyMe is their superpower. Ably helps us do that by making real-time simple, invisible, and rock solid.